But this is absolutely the most important 3 days that I spend in a year. Besides bid day and buy day, quite frankly, for our organization, the relationships and the information that is gathered in the building of our company and our effectiveness in the market, it's critical. It really, truly is critical.
It's a great way to provide them feedback on how they're doing. They can also we'll give them market trends and what they're seeing in our particular market. So it's a win-win situation for both the vendor and the contractor.
Well, the most important thing that we do to spend quality time with the manufacturers is being with the people at the right level. That is, we've always got significant executives in our company attending the Mechanical Exchange, and likewise the manufacturers have players at the top of the company. It's our jobs on both sides to send that message down to the team, but now we've got somebody that we can answer to and it answers back to us. We can put some measurements together. And then you come back here year in and year out, you've really got some relationships and you're making some real progress.
I think that if a manufacturer thinks that they already know us and they don't need an additional outlet like the Exchange to expand the relationship with Brandt, there seems to be quite a disconnect between what the manufacturer hears from his rep in a local market and what is actually happening in the local market. The only way the manufacturer is really going to get a true understanding of how much business he is getting or not getting is by talking directly with us.
The time that we've saved by attending the Exchange really is encapsulated in this 2-day process here, as opposed to months, literally, of setting up all these heavy hitters from the manufacturers here, the decision makers that we would have to meet with to affect change at those manufacturers. And more than one person. We would have a number of people trying to set up those schedules and so forth that you accomplish all in this time frame.
The time I've invested in the Mechanical Exchange has been valuable. I've gotten a lot out of it, so it's definitely worthwhile.
I would say if they think that we don't have to meet at the Exchange or don't have anything more than our casual, when we see each other and ask for a bid and ask for a quote, I'd say they're probably missing something deeper there, because when we do see each other, yeah, they're casual and they're lunch but they're in our everyday kind of mundane, the same thing that we do environment. This kind of forces us to step out of that and really relook at the entire process.
You don't always know what you don't know, and I've met companies here that I thought I knew pretty well and then realized they had something additional to offer that I had never even considered, and I'm sure vice versa. They probably learned more about the Unified Group and about my company and what our needs are. So I wouldn't be too quick to judge, basically. I mean, you don't really know until you start talking and finding out if there is an opportunity there.